Hello everyone, I hope you are fit and healthy at home. I wish you health and wellness. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Children, previously you have studied Daisy the Cow. Today I am here to teach you chapter 6 of your English textbook Gulmohar. So kids, open your book and take out page number 41. The title of the chapter is Bedtime. Do you know what is bedtime? Bedtime is the time when you normally go to bed for sleep. So children, you also go to bed. What are the things you imagine before going to sleep? You think about next day, what you will do, that you will go to park with your friends, you will have your favorite dish tomorrow, you will ask your mother to make you good food, good dish, pastries, cakes and many other things. So you are also very excited about your next day. Here in this chapter also, a little girl is planning about her next day, that what she will do here. So let us read about it. Before starting, I would like you to put your index finger where I am reading and keep your pencils along with you to mark the hard words. Let's start our chapter. It is bedtime. We have studied that bedtime is the time when you go to sleep. Underline the word B-E-D-T-I-M-E, bedtime. I lie in bed and think of the fun I can have tomorrow. Children, mark the word T-H-I-N-K, think, O-F, think of, and tomorrow, T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. Think of. So here, what is girl doing? वो bed पे लेटी हुई है, she is lying in bed and thinking. Thinking of is imagining about something or someone. Okay. So here, she is imagining about fun things she'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow is next day. I can dance around my room. I can sing my favorite song. Mark the word F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite. So, what is she planning? What is she thinking? That she'll dance around in her room and sing her favorite song. I can go to the playground with my friends. So, she is thinking that she'll go to playground with her friends. Mark the word P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D, playground. And we can go up and down the slide, zip, zoom. So, she'll go and enjoy at the playground and she'll go up and down on slides like zip and zoom. Okay, you'll also go to slides, you'll like zip and zoom. Likewise, girl is also enjoying. I can help mother in the kitchen. So, she is thinking that she'll help her mother in the kitchen. I may learn how to bake a cake. She is thinking that she'll also learn how to bake a cake, teddy bear, and I can have a tea party. Now mark the word T-E-A-T-P-A-R-T-Y, party. So, she is thinking that she'll help her mother. She may learn how to bake a cake and she'll have a tea party with a teddy bear. So, children, what is tea party? Tea party is a social gathering. It is a small gathering where you will have tea and light refreshments. I can blow bubbles in the air and burst them. Pop. So, what she'll do? She'll blow bubbles. A bubble blow करती हो, like you blow the balloon. So, she'll blow the bubbles in the air and burst them. Sound of the bubble is pop. Sound of the bubble is pop. Children, mark the word B-L-O-W, blow, B-U-R-S-T, burst. I can go to the zoo with the father and see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe. Children, she is planning that she'll go to zoo with her father and see naughty monkeys and baby giraffe. Mark the word N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Now I am ready to sleep. She said that now I am ready to sleep. She had a good time thinking about all the things. Now she is ready to sleep. So she said, so she wished good night Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. She is saying, now I am ready to sleep. Good night. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Mark the word WONDERFUL, wonderful. So children, here the chapter is over. So open your book and take out page number 43. Question A, complete these sentences using words from the box. So some words are given to you in the box and we have to complete these sentences using those words. Words are mother, friends, dance, teddy bear, bubbles. Okay. Sentence 1, the girl likes to dash around the room. So answer is DANCE, dance. Okay. Number 2, the girl can play on the slide with her friends. Answer is FRIENDS, friends. Number 3, Dash will teach the girl how to bake cake. So what is the answer? Answer is mother. Mother will teach the girl how to bake a cake. Spelling of mother is MOTHER, mother. Number 4, Dash and the girl can have a tea party. So girl will have tea party with teddy bear. Okay. TEDDY, teddy, BEAR, bear. Number 5, the girl will blow Dash in the air. What she will blow? She will blow bubbles. BUBBLES, bubbles. Okay children. Question B, read the question, then tick the correct pictures. What does the girl want to do tomorrow? So we will see what girl wants to do tomorrow. Number first is, she is sliding. Yes, she is planning to go to slide with her friends. Number 2, she is feeding birds. So is there in the plan? No. So we will leave this empty. Number 3, she is helping her mother in the kitchen. Yes, it is there in the plan. So we will put tick here. Number 4 is, she is blowing bubbles. It is there in the plan. So we will put tick here. Number 5 is, she is having tea party with doll here, but in the story what is there? She is planning to have tea party with teddy bear. So we will leave it empty. Now number 6, she is swimming. Is there in the plan? No. Okay, so we will leave it empty. Number 7, yes, she is planning to go to zoo with her father. Number 8, she is enjoying her day at the beach. Is it there in the plan? No. So we will leave it empty. Okay children. Now move to question number 2. The girl in the story is Dash and Dash. Pick 2 words from the box. Tell your teacher why you picked those 2 words. Words are happy, jolly, naughty, lazy, cheerful and sad. So the words we use for girl are cheerful and happy, because she is very hopeful about next day. She is planning to have a wonderful day tomorrow. Okay. So the sentence is, the girl in the story is cheerful and happy. Okay. Copywork of this chapter, new words. Number 1, BEDTIME, bedtime. Number 2, TEATPARTY, party. Number 3, BLOW, blow. Number 4, FAVOURITE, favorite. Number 5, BURST, burst. Make sentences. Number 1, bubbles. The children are blowing bubbles. Underline the word bubbles. Number 2 is ready. It's time to get ready. Kids, underline the word ready. Okay. Now let us see word meaning. Number 1 is wonderful. Okay. What is the meaning of wonderful? Fantastic. Okay. Meaning of wonderful is fantastic. Number 2 is tomorrow. Meaning of tomorrow is the next day. Okay. The next day. Answer the questions. Question 1 is, who can go up and down the slide? Answer is, the girl and her friends can go up and down the slide. We will revise it again. The girl and her friends can go up and down the slide. Okay. Now question number 2. What will the girl see at the zoo? Answer is, the girl will see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe at the zoo. We'll repeat it again. The girl will see naughty monkeys and a baby giraffe at the zoo. Okay children, hard word of this chapter. Okay. Our first word is bedtime. B-E-D, bed, T-I-M-E, bedtime. Okay. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Next, B-L-O-W, blow. B-U-R-S-T, burst. Z-O-O, zoo. F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Children, learn these words, okay? Children, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.